This is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G model, and today we will demonstrate how you can activate, manage and generally use the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, you need to launch the keyboard. In here, look for this very icon that stands for the clipboard page itself, or if the icon that I've just pointed to is not present over here, this little icons bar at the top part of your keyboard, tap on these three dots in order for the full options menu to be opened. Next, in order for, clipboard to be activated, even though it is usually activated by default, simply copy something. So I'll type in some, random set of characters, and once I copy them and get back to the keyboard clipboard page, I'll see that the thing, the word so-called, that I have just copied is successfully added as the most recent clipboard element. From here you can, paste it into any typing bar you have launched the keyboard with. If you would like to remove the elements from your clipboard, simply tap on this trash bin icon, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and then choose the delete option. After that, just confirm the action, and as you can see, the chosen elements will be successfully erased. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.